Here's our new house. Just closed today. Show you guys the front door, the front entrance. Here's Holly. Alec is working on the screen door. Julie is working on getting all the kitty locks off of the.
Well, Mara worked on that.
Well, it's mainly Mara. Julie is
just the dirt, just cleaning.
Fussing the kitchen.
I think it would be nice to have like a mini vacuum.
We're spackling some holes.
I was just working on the screen door, and it looked like there was a lot of dirt jammed in there, which
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe when we turned the little latch around, because it was
Oh, let me step out.
yeah. Pretending this is candy.
Yeah. When we turned it around.
We turned it around because the lock, it was really easy to lock people out with how easy it was to go up and down. So we flipped it around, and now it doesn't lock.
Right.
But there's a bunch of dirt down here.
Ah.
And this, originally all this dirt here was jammed in there.
It still works better than the one at our Needham house.
That's true.
Which is awful.
So,
All right, I'll do a quick walk around the outside here. We'll set up our grill station right there. That's going to come off the house because we don't use DirecTV, and actually I don't even think the previous owners did. These posts for the deck are not secure, they're just resting on top of those blocks, so might fix that. The house was in immaculate order when we got in, definitely way better than broom clean. So this will be sort of a living room area, and the previous owners left the bracket on the wall, which is awesome. So we'll just buy a TV and put that on there. One bathroom upstairs, which has this double sink, and looks out the front. This is the master bedroom, which also looks out the front. Has a big closet and a door into that bathroom. Two more bedrooms here across the hall. We're thinking this will be Alec's, and that faces the back, obviously, right, Holly? And this will be Mara's room. Mara's helping with removing all the gunk from the kitty locks, but it's in great shape. That stuff on the wall is just spackle that I was filling some holes with, so we'll sand that and touch it up with some paint. One zone for heating and air conditioning, but it does have air conditioning. And hardwood floors, or I guess this laminate stuff. This we're thinking will be my office, which will have a nice view out there. Yeah, that could come off. It's just stuck on, but I don't know. I don't mind it. This will be sort of a lounge room, rec room kind of place. A lot of closets, a lot of storage. This closet has a closet, which goes under the stairs. And they must have bought this stuff in bulk because it's everywhere. This is our HVAC system. And evidence of Ethernet wires running places, so definitely take advantage of that. Water heater. Second bathroom down here. Maybe put an ice maker here? That's a dehumidifier, I think, that the previous owners left for us. Laundry. Full bathroom here. And that faces out to the front. And hi. And the garage. You stay there, Holly. So is this big enough for a boat? We don't know. Guess we'll find out. Electrical panel. What are you doing in here?
I'm finding the paint to
Oil tank.
touch up
And the internet and cable comes in there.
sleek white.
Radon mitigation system. So yeah, that's what we've got. I guess this could be the before picture. And yeah, can't wait. I may need to buy an angle grinder for these guys and get those off of there. So more to come.